Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Learn general knowledge 5 question answers daily for 22nd August 2021. Now I am going to start Amazon's amazing 5 GK questions. Here the Amazon's main page opened here. From there to home page. In that programs and features, and in programs and features, we can find some subcategories. I am scrolling down for fun zone, where we find daily quiz questions. Here fun zone page opened, win prizes every day, and scrolling down for today's quiz questions here. So it is here. Quiz time now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 am. Answer and win rupees 25,000. Now I am going to start by clicking on play now button. One more page opened here. Daily quiz time. Answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. If all 5 questions, 5 out of 5 questions correct, then only there is a chance to enter the lucky draw and also chance to win Amazon Pay rupees 25,000. Today's prize money is 25,000 pay balance. Now I am going to start by clicking on start button. So here is the most awaiting the first question. In July 2021, who took charge as the country's new IT, communications and railway minister? Repeating the question, in July 2021, who took charge as the country's new IT, communications and railway minister? Here the options are Pasupati Kumar Paras, Hardeep Singh Puri, Rajkumar Singh, Ashwini Vaishnav. Whom are you guessing? So, whenever you have listened from 1 to 5 questions and options also, so guess the answer yourself, and after completion of 5 questions, test yourself how many questions were right and how many were wrong. Like that you can judge yourself and enhance your learning skills. Now I am adding some more info about this question. Ashwini Vaishnav was born 18th July 1970 in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. He is an Indian politician and former Indian Administrative Service Officer, currently serving as the Minister of Railways, Communications and Electronics and Information Technology, IT, Information Technology of India since 8 July 2021. He is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In June 2019, he became a member of the Parliament of India representing Odisha state in the Rajya Sabha, the upper house. On 7th July 2021, he was appointed as a cabinet minister and was given the charge of railways and information technology ministries. Earlier in 1994, Vaishnav joined the Indian Administrative Service in the Odisha cadre and has worked extensively in Odisha. Vaishnav was born in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. And also, as per the question, the correct answer is the fourth option, Ashwini Vaishnav. You got the answer already. So, in July 2021, Ashwini Vaishnav took charge as the country's new IT communications and railway minister. Now I am clicking on the fourth option, Ashwini Vaishnav. That's right, came here. Now moving to the second question. By spelling which word correctly? By spelling which word correctly did 14-year-old Jaila Avant Garde became the first African American to win Scripps National Spelling Bee? Repeating the question, by spelling which word correctly did 14-year-old Jaila Avant Garde became the first African American to win Scripps National Spelling Bee? Here the options are Murray, Feldenkrais, Gladiolus, Abrogate. Which one you are guessing? Which word that made him won the Scripps National Spelling Bee by Jaila Avant Garde? Okay, I am adding some more info. The Scripps National Spelling Bee. Do you know about it? The Scripps National Spelling Bee, formerly the Scripps Howard National Spelling Bee and commonly called the National Spelling Bee, is an annual spelling bee held in the United States. The bee is run on a not-for-profit basis by the E.W. Scripps Company and is held at a hotel or a convention center in Washington, D.C. during the week following Memorial Day weekend. The 93rd Scripps National Spelling Bee was held at the ESPN Wide World of Sports Complex in Bay Lake, Florida. The finals were held on July 8, 2021 and televised on ESPN2 and ESPN. It was won by Jaila Avant Garde, the first African American to win the Scripps National Spelling Bee by spelling Murray word correctly. Murraya, Murray word correctly. And the second black person to do so. So he is the second black person who did so. So as per the question, you got the answer. The correct answer is the first option, Murraya. Murraya, Murraya. So by spelling Murraya word correctly, did 14-year-old Jaila Avant Garde became the first African American to win Scripps National Spelling Bee. Now I am going to click the first option. I think we have guessed. Those who have interest in spelling bee competitive exams, they easily guess the word. So Murraya. So bang on came here. Now moving to the third question. In which Middle Eastern country has Ibrahim Raisi become the president in June 2021? Repeating the question, in which Middle Eastern country has Ibrahim Raisi become the president in June 2021? Here the options are Jordan, Iran, Iraq, Libya. Which country you are guessing? Do you know about Ibrahim Raisi? So I am adding some more info as per the question. Sayyid Ibrahim Raisol Sadati. Sayyid Ibrahim Raisol Sadati was born 14th December 1960 in the Nogan district of Mashhad, commonly known as Ibrahim Raisi is an Iranian conservative Islamist, principalist, politician, Muslim jurist, and the 8th and current president of Iran since 3rd August 2021, having been elected to the presidency in the 2021 Iranian presidential election. So I think you guessed same only. The correct answer is second one, that is Iran. Ibrahim Raisi became the president in June 2021 in Iran, that is the Middle Eastern country. So I am clicking on the second option, Iran. Those who have the good knowledge in current affairs, who is who, they easily guess the answer. And now moving to the fourth question. Here one image is given. This is a very famous one for the foodies. Who was the first celebrity to have a meal named after him at this restaurant chain? So what is that one? McDonald's. McDrive also here. That is one of the chains here. Repeating the question. Who was the first celebrity to have a meal named after him at this restaurant chain? So I am adding some more info about the McDonald's. McDonald's is an American fast food company founded in 1940. I think you understood that when McDonald's started. So McDonald's is an American fast food company. That is a fast food company founded in 1940 as a restaurant operated by Richard and Maurice McDonald. So this restaurant was operated by the two members named Richard and Maurice McDonald in San Bernardino, California, United States. And as per the question, Michael Jeffrey Jordan, MJ in short, was born on February 17th, 1963 at Cumberland Hospital in the Fort Greene neighborhood of New York City's Brooklyn borough, also known as by his initials MJ. He is an American former professional basketball player and a businessman. He is the principal owner and chairman of the Charlotte Hornets of the National Basketball Association, that is NBA, National Basketball Association, and of 23rd XI, means 23rd 11 racing in the NASCAR Cup Series. He played 15 seasons in the NBA, winning 6 championships with the Chicago Bulls. His biography on the official NBA website states, by acclamation, Michael Jordan is the greatest basketball player of all time. He was integral in helping to popularize the NBA around the world in the 1980s and 1990s, becoming a global cultural icon in the process. In 1992, basketball player Michael Jordan became the first celebrity to have a McDonald's value meal named after him. The McJordan, that name is McJordan, a quarter pounder with pickles, raw onion slices, bacon and barbecue sauce was available in Chicago franchises. So as per the question, the correct answer is second one, that is Michael Jordan. So Michael Jordan was the first celebrity to have a meal named after him at this McDrive, that is a McDonald's restaurant chain. So like that, BTS and others also, all meals also available. We can get some more info. So I am clicking on the second option, Michael Jordan. So bang on came here. Now moving to the last question and the second image. So this is a character from which Disney movie. It is one of the Disney movies image and also it is one of the characters in the Disney movies. So which movie did you find this character? Here the options are Toy Story, Wall-E, Valet, Pinocchio, and Peter Pan. Which one you are guessing? Those who watches generally the Disney movies, they easily guess this movie and this character also. So I am adding some more info. Wall-E, known as W for waste, A for allocation, L for load, L for lifter, E for earth class. Wall-E, known as waste allocation load lifter earth class, with the formal designation N62675, is the titular protagonist of the 2008 Disney Pixar animated feature film of the same name. He is a waste collector drone created by the Buy and Large Corporation, initially programmed to haul the garbage plaguing Earth in the distant future. So you got the answer. As per the question, the correct answer is the second option, Wall-E. Okay, I am clicking on the second option, Wall-E. So you can find this character from one of the Disney movies, that is Wall-E. So that's right, came here. So 5 out of 5 questions right. So as appreciation, well done, came here. You are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest. Amazon Pay rupees 25,000. Today's prize money is. You can check the winners list. Those who are curious and anxious to know whether they were selected or not on 23rd August 2021. Keep learning, and not only the questions answers, and enrich your knowledge along with the questions, like that rock with your enormous knowledge in everyday's amazing GK questions by watching this video. And don't forget to share with your friends and relatives to enjoy the extraordinary content. So thank you and have a nice day.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.